Hello kids, hi, welcome back to the Scratch class. I hope you guys are having a lot of fun. So last week we had developed the chase game and before that we did a pong game. You guys remember that? So how about something really interesting today? So today we are going to build a scrolling game. Anybody played Flappy Bird here? So something like that where you continuously are falling and you have to save yourself from hitting objects. So I built something a very similar version of the Flappy Bird but with a butterfly and flower. So you want to see what it looks like. So I have bats coming here. Ideally I should have nets, but I didn't have nets. So if my butterfly touches the flowers, my score increases. But if it touches the bats, oops, my score decreases. So you have to try and save yourself from the bats and hit the flowers as many as possible. The flowers stay just for a while, so you have to score as much as you can using the space bar. So you guys can build any variation of this. You can make your own version of Flappy Bird, or you can make something really interesting. So this is something a combination from the chase game that we did last week, and also the scrolling. So what do you think is the main difficult or the most difficult part here? So have you ever used cloning operator, or so how do you think you will clone the bats or whatever obstacles you have? So there is a very easy method of doing that in the Scratch. So in my case I have 3 sprites. This is my butterfly, this is the bat, and bat is what gets cloned, as well as there's the flower. So there is a block, say create clone, and you can add logic around it to do what it is supposed to do. It can appear randomly on the screen, or it can glide for a while, like I have used over here. And once it is past your main object, you can actually delete it. So you also have a delete clone block. So if you want to see once again what it looks like, so yeah, so I have the flower which also gets cloned and it gets deleted after a while. Yeah, so you just saw the clone getting deleted, and so do the bats. So does this look interesting, or do you have any questions?